feelings changing with the seasons. Just another reason I'll be coming home. And it's about time everybody stop lying. Made it just a small crime to follow my soul. Follow my soul. In this hometown, working with the common crowd, girls that grow strong and proud and rattle my bones. And in spite of me, I've become a sight to see. 'Cause girl, you've done right by me when you pulled me from the cold. Pulled me from the cold. I don't know where the winter goes. I was warm in the morning, cold in the day, hot at night. I don't know about you, my fellow man, but when my baby's holding me tight, you know it's hard to get up out of bed. I work all day, slaving till the bitter end, but when I get home, she warms me back up again. Changing with the seasons, just another reason I'll be coming home. And it's about time everybody stop lying. Made it just a small crime to follow my soul. Follow my soul. like any port in a storm when I'm talking to you, or any fish in a boat when we're in the same room. I wanna live in the sea, but I wanna step on the sand. I wanna warm my feet in a sinking chair. I wanna feel that karma coming in my veins. I wanna know what it's like to make mistakes again. I wanna hear you tell me.
Alright, you gotta poke your head out.
Like before. And you know a home, it ain't quite what it was before. I mean, and what's the sense I mean? I know everybody wants to keep their records clean, but they're telling lies when they say they're good. If I could save us all and burn it down, I would. But this fire, it don't go like before. And you know the river, well, it can't hold everybody's sin. Well, you know the carburetor and the steam engine had their time, and it seems though we've had ours.